flagship, the decommissioned up. The video describes a scene where the intent is explicitly stated as silence. 2.
Using an advanced laser grid, the scanner meticulously maps the aging structure of the carrier's passageways.
Here we see the immense scale of the Admiral Kuznetsov as the dry dock is finally drained, a crucial step in her modernization.
Check the alignment on the lower bolts.
Looks good from here, but let's double check the torque.
Secure the line on the upper deck.
Roger that. Securing the line.
This movement signals the official start of the long-awaited Admiral Kuznetsov restoration project. The Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia's sole aircraft carrier, has been plagued by delays and persistent structural issues during its prolonged refit.
Here we use ultrasonic testing on the Kuznetsov's hull. This probe sends high-frequency sound waves through the steel.
Bring it down slowly, easy now. All right, she's perfectly aligned, set her down.
final check on the main seam. Integrity is holding. We are cleared for the next phase.
Welding these new high-grade steel plates into position is a complex task, essential for the carrier's structural integrity.
Securing these massive rubber seals requires precision and specialized tools to ensure the deck can withstand the forces of naval aviation.
Before the new coating can be applied, the old surface must be aggressively ground down and sandblasted to the bare metal.
Keep going on the edge. Turning on the sprayer now, cover your ears. Bring her up slowly now. Hydraulic pressure holding steady, sir. Clear the area, watch your footing. Guide it down, Vladi. Right here, a bit more to the starboard. Давай, опускай. Держи левее. Готово, опускай. Okay, easy now, lower it slowly. Got it, check the alignment. Looks good, pass the wrench. Keep it steady now. All right, moving up, watch the line. All connections are tight. The panel is clean.
Power systems are nominal.
Good work. Let's secure it. Move those chairs to the side.
Okay, I got it.
Bring the vacuum over here when you're done.
Ensuring the safety of the crew is paramount. The worn treads are replaced with a high-detail anti-slip surface.
All stations, this is the Admiral. We are active. Condition 1 throughout the ship.
Confirmed. Loading combat systems now.
The work is finally complete. The cabin is ready for sea duty.
The restoration is complete. The cabin meets all regulations and is ready for service.
We need to check the alignment on Section 4. The vibrations were off during the last sea trial.
The starboard inner shaft shows acceptable levels of wear, consistent with the refit schedule. Logging the clearance readings now.
From chaos to order, the massive turbines are finally being prepared for their static display condition.
The restoration of the Kuznetsov required immense effort, transforming chaos into this pristine display.
Check the pressure on line 3. Reading steady, Captain. Engaging the main circuit.
High-pressure sprayers are used to coat the heavily oxidized structures in a protective layer of battleship gray.
Watch the pressure on the lower left. Okay, moving the platform up now. Easy now, watch the cables on the left. It's heavier than it looks. Almost clear.
Behold the Admiral Kuznetsov,
fully restored and modernized, a symbol of national pride.
Behold the Admiral Kuznetsov. Fully restored, this represents a monumental achievement in naval engineering and history.
The deck looks superb. The new coating should handle the Northern Fleet operations well. Final check of the ski jump.
After years in dry dock, Russia's flagship carrier returns to the water, signaling the success of the restoration project.